So you just bought your home. Now what? When you buy a car, you get an owner's manual. When you buy a house, you don't. Consider the age of your new home. If you're buying a brand new home, you're probably not going to have the same issues, say, that I would have since my home was built in the 60s. So what I recommend is take a Saturday morning, spend a few hours, go around the house and take inventory of the basic components. Things such as, your refrigerator, your stove, range and oven, your washer, your dryer, dishwasher, air conditioner, etc. And if you can take the inventory on an electronic spreadsheet like Excel, even better, because you can continually update the information. So things that you'll want to keep track of are service dates, who serviced the component, keep their name, their phone number, so you can easily reference back to the spreadsheet when you need to service the component again. And some say that you'll want to set aside a small percentage, 1% at most, of the home's purchase price annually for repairs and upkeep.